This is breaking news. The Iranian attack on Qatar's Ras Laffan liquefied natural gas facility has knocked out 17% of Qatar's export capability of LNG. An estimated $20 billion worth of damage was caused in the strikes yesterday. And as of about 11 hours ago, crews were still working to put out fires at the facility. Again, this is a major development and has a ripple effect on the global energy market. This information coming from Qatar Energy's CEO, who condemned the attack against this facility, as the Iranians are still launching ballistic missile and drone attacks against energy infrastructure across the Gulf. As this is taking place, the Israelis are still coming under renewed Iranian ballistic missile fire. More than 8 barrages have been launched at this country since midnight, and the expectation is that these types of attacks will continue for weeks.